Hello everyone, in this video we are to solve for m and n. So now let's get started. Now from here, what I will do here is to rewrite this one in the form of my 3 to the power m divided by my 3 multiplying the same thing. I will rewrite this one as my 5 to the power 2n all divided by my 5 to the power 3 equals 225. So now we know that I can rewrite this one also in a form of, so I'll have my 3 to the power m all divided by my 3 multiply my 5 to the power 2n all divided by my 5 to the power 3. So now equals, now this one we can see that it's 9 times 25 will give us 225. So the 9 I can write it in exponential form as my 3 to the power 2 times the 25 too, I can write it as my 5 to the power 2. So from here we can compare. So by comparing, I'll have my 3 to the power m all divided by 3 equals my 3 to the power 2 and my 5 to the power 2n all divided by my 5 to the power 3 equals 5 to the power 2. So from now we solve for our m and n. So doing so, with this 3 multiplies this one, so I will have my 3 to the power m equals, now this 3 times 3 to the power 2, so I'll have my 3 multiply my 3 to the power 2. Now we apply laws of indices. The same base, we add the exponent. So adding the exponent, I will have my 3 to the power m equals 3 to the power 3. So from here, we can see that my m equals 3. So now let's solve for the n. So the n2 from here, now I'll have my 5 to the power 2n equals, now 5 to the power 3 times this one. So it will give me my 5 to the power 3 multiplying my 5 to the power 2. So I will have my 5 to the power 2n equals 5 to the power 5. So compare the exponent. So I'll have my 2n equals 5. So therefore my n equals 5 divided by 2. So my m is 3 and my n is 5 divided by 2. Thank you for watching the video, but please don't forget to subscribe, press the notification bell for more videos.